We have an excellent mentor and mentee relationship at Central State University and in the manufacturing engineering department.
We are a small program, so the number of students in any class probably will not exceed 10. So the relationship between faculty and students is almost like one-to-one.
You have teachers who go above and beyond, who will be here probably 6, 7, 8 o'clock at night, just making sure you understand the material. They'll email you in the middle of the night, they ask you questions, and you could email them in the middle of the night and ask them questions, and they would have an answer for you on the spot.
They give you a lot of opportunities. Like they see you, they ask you what you want, they email you. All opportunities they come, they email you like multiple times to make sure you see it. They ask you about it. And sometimes, like, especially for international students, there's always extra steps you have to go through, and they help you with that because there's a lot of international professors in the department, and that makes work easy when it comes to the process of signing up and everything.
The professors here are great at hands-on, going to their offices after class if you don't understand.
My advisor just came up to me one day, he said he had a project open, and I said I was interested because, I just wanted to have some hands-on. So he just came to me with a project that I got to continue on, and ever since then I just been working on the project.
The students here, they receive an excellent mentorship since we know everyone by name, and they can come to the faculty, interact with them so easy. They have so many opportunities. In fact, right now I'm having difficulty filling the opportunities because the students are getting 2 or 3 offers at the same time, and they come and say which one I choose.
I'm actually international, so I'm all the way from the Bahamas. So an opportunity like this for me goes a super long way. So I just don't take it for granted. And it's a good opportunity to open doors and to make sure that you find a job, a career.
Whatever they go into, they get excellent support and training. All that help the students' professional formation, which help them to be prepared for industry upon graduation so they can enter the industry and hit the ground running the first day.